आएगा वो इवेंट करा रहा है थोड़ा।
Take the evidence fast, guy.
वही
If I don't
दूसरी
land here.
ये आ जाना पीएस आ जाना मैं तो।
दूसरी कहाँ चल रही है?
भाई बहुत दूर हो रहा है भाई। पिया जाओ पहले बल्ला को। पिया जाओ भाई पिया जाओ। एडमिन आया तो पिया जाओ।
अरे मेरे को भी ट्रैक कर लिया कर, कहाँ चला जाता है?
तो नीचे वाले में ही गया था। तेरे को अब तक रोल नहीं मिला क्या?
नहीं नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं मिला। इसके
एक
भी लॉग
बार
क्या कह रहा है?
एक बार अमन को बोल दियो।
Evidence is taken, evidence is taken.
हाँ
Okay, guys, come.
Guys, can anybody
Mustafa.
put a global?
पिया चाचा भाई।
Hey bro, come to the local, come to the local.
किशोर ब्रो come to PH and I will give 100k 1 लाख दूंगा भाई।
We have to
टकला चमक रहा है।
Oh, give me wrong.
I am on the Leo side, okay guys?
Give me.
we
We have
have
the two hostages.
मैं भी आऊंगा।
Yeah, we know.
From
Can't
Leo.
you see the uniforms?
आ जाओ ना पिया आप पिया जाओ ना आपके पास हेली तो पिया
Can't you see
जाओ।
the uniforms?
Yeah, it's a new news.
Guys, I am
We
looking
know,
at good.
sir.
I
Yeah.
am looking
Whose uniform is this? Whose uniform is this?
You look
You're-
what
you're-
tiger.
You
Your
cheats.
officer, your FIB officers, guys.
You cheats.
Cheats?
Yeah,
Oi.
someone,
Okay.
who, yeah.
So what is show me your ID if you are the main negotiator.
Who?
Who is the
Kraken.
main negotiator?
क्रैकन साइड में हो जा।
No one mean negotiator, bro. What the fuck?
Are you scared from us?
Yes.
Guys, why you are scared, bro? We are the, we are citizen, bro. We're good citizen.
Yeah, I am citizens. I am, you know.
No, bro, you are
Who is the
Leo.
negotiator? Tell me fast. We don't have that much time like you.
I have the
Who is
time.
the
I'm
main
the time here.
negotiator?
Yeah, same question,
आ रहा है
bro.
क्या? रेड भाई आ रहा है क्या?
Hey,
Minik, can
आ
you start
रहे
the
हो कि नहीं? आ
negotiation,
गया ना?
bro?
negotiator.
Okay, yeah, sure.
भाई मैं तो फोन करके चल जाता हूँ भाई।
Okay.
You are the best.
Go, bro. We are in the same order.
Yeah, guys, I'll negotiate.
It is gonna explode.
On the same.
क्रैकन मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट।
Me too. Please show me.
क्या बोलता है? हेलो।
Yes, yes.
Medical
Mayank
treatment.
Federal, right?
नहीं
Okay.
है।
Wow, what are you doing?
You can call me. You cannot call me lion.
All right.
क्या को भाई? मेरे को आज मेरे
sorry,
वो जो
sorry,
ना
can I
बाहर
passport, sir?
हाँ
I can
बारवर
have
के
your
पास।
name?
No, I will not show you my passport.
Hey,
Lion, okay.
hey.
Yeah.
भाई मैं अभी थोड़ा
So we
FIB
have
में
to
जाना
host
पड़ेगा भाई।
from
मैं तुरंत
FIB.
कर दूंगा। छोड़ देना थोड़ा।
FIB, okay. Can you show them? Can you show them to us?
अरे सब मेरे साथ ही होगा क्या?
Bro, we naked your officers.
Zara, how copy?
My uniform.
Go ahead.
Reason?
I can see your uniform.
Yes, sir. Your officers are naked. Same.
Okay, so guys, I am
No,
on
sir,
the Leo
no.
side.
Reason,
I am
reason.
on the Leo side.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
okay.
It comes again, fuck him up.
First of all, who is this guy?
Or aim on him. Aim on
Okay,
him.
guys.
तुषार एक बार
the
वापस करना
hostage.
तुषार
Aim on.
Hey.
Aim on him.
Everyone aim.
Yeah.
Mikey,
Release.
Everyone aim.
Release.
Mikey,
Don't try
release.
to
Release.
smart, Mr. Hostage.
Okay, I'm releasing my down.
Release him.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, go in Indian block.
Aim.
Here's the hostage, Mr. Negotiator.
Okay, Mr. Hostess, can I have your ID? You can put your hands down. You can show me.
Make
your
sure you are aiming on
FIB
that hostage.
need
Don't try to over
Warehouse is
Wait.
Wait, that.
RC Brox. Give me a minute, okay? Let me just do a background search on you real quick.
Don't go alone, guy. FIB don't know how to process.
इधर है रेड भाई
anyone.
रेड आइस
Alright, Hasib.
Who was driving the car off duty? Don't drive. You'll be get suspended.
FIB.
Okay.
FIB don't know how to
Hello.
process a guy. Don't worry.
Alright, and from where did they took you as a hostage? Which location?
Other hostage? Should I bring other hostage?
Did you say?
Okay,
Oh,
hands up.
right. And did they? Whoa, let me talk to him, bro. Wait.
Let them talk. Wait.
अरे तुषार ये क्या हो रहा
Okay,
है
did they hurt you? Did they like assault you or
Hostage.
something like
अरे नहीं ये तो
sexually
ठीक है
or some other way?
क्या प्रोसेस करना नहीं आ रहा है क्या बात है या अभी ये बस टाइम पास नहीं कर रहे हैं
आ तो रहा
They took your clothes.
आ रहा है
We
इनको
can see
आता है
that.
मुस्तफा को आता है
They
पूरा
took your
Yeah,
money
we- we
or
took-
they
और ये
took
बात
your
बता
all-
many
FIB वाले क्या कहते हैं
Evidence collect.
What
बिना
are you doing?
बिना
You
मेडिकल
take
के वो दे
your
सकते हैं
process,
हेल्प
bro.
वो बिना उसके
Take their clothes.
You
मेडिकेट
need
क्या है?
medical help,
हाँ।
alright? We'll call EMS for that.
कोई भी दे सकता है
कर फिर मेरे को वापस कर मादे चौधरी लोग
Okay,
हैं।
you know EMS? So you want me to
एक घंटे में एक बार
Seriously.
क्या
Yeah, bro, it's in medical. Come on.
Or did
Okay,
they really
medical.
come
You
to
don't
you?
have a
I
first
do
aid
need
kit,
medical.
Guys,
guys?
aim on the
गलत बात है तो
No, we are not EMS.
हाँ मिल गया रोल मिल गया मेरे को
Okay.
Wait, let me
Okay.
give you medical help.
Okay. Take him back, guys.
This is
Okay,
your
hands
medical
up. Hands up.
Aim on him. Hands up.
Aim on me, hands up.
Hey, put your hands on here.
Okay, I'm taking in hand stretch.
Yeah.
And
so,
Mikey, bring a
Sir
second
Mike
one.
Federal. Another one.
Yes, of course.
Bring another guy.
Bunny.
Hey, Pink Shirt, you are from gangster?
Yeah, he stole the clothes of the officer.
Bro,
Mhm. Mm-hmm. Don't stand there, Esref. What are you doing, Esref?
Respond to the.
No, can you tell that guy to shoot at our officers? That guy.
put a local address.
Everyone, come here. Aim. Everyone, aim. Okay. Okay, there's another hostage. Okay, I'm gonna link below.
Aim on hostage.
Can I have your
Can you
ID,
put the
sir?
local for the robbery?
Aim me. Don't aim on him.
No, show me your ID.
Don't
show me
give
your
him
ID.
demand. Just.
Ron, not me, please. Not me.
Zoro, the evidence is already taken.
Give me a minute, let me do a background search.
No me.
What? No means?
Everyone,
I don't
aim.
want
Everyone,
to
what are you doing? Aim. Everyone, aim.
Ron.
I'm searching for you. Tell me, were you on duty when they took you as
Hey,
hostage?
don't go, friend. Don't go, friend. Come back.
To go as a hostage. I have
Guys,
state.
let me talk to him, guys.
I have
Okay,
state,
did they-
bro, with my family.
Were you on duty when they took you as a hostage?
Oh my god. Guys, pray for
Guys,
the
pray
wizard.
for the
They are
wizard.
ramming again and again. Pray for the wizard.
I'm calling.
I'm saying, were you on duty when they took you as a hostage? You were on duty, right? Okay, did they assault you or something like physically? or sexually?
No, we didn't touch him.
Yeah.
He's not touchable.
No, he's lying. He take my.
Yeah. Okay,
Don't
did they
cry,
rob you
don't
or steal your
cry.
cash? Do you need any medical attention from our side or EMS?
I will
Do you
give the
need
provider
medical
food.
attention? Do you need medical attention
Yeah, sir, please.
from EMS or from my side?
Guy from gang.
Take it.
He's there.
Okay, guys, aim on him and take him back.
All right, you can
Okay,
take
hey,
it.
hands up, bro, hands up. Rise your ranks.
Hands up.
Okay, I'm taking a serious stage.
Okay, so Mr. Mike Federal, let's talk on the main thing. Demands. Correct?
Yeah.
So our demands are normal, simple, and very reasonable. 400k for both.
Okay, listen. 400k, right? 200k
I'm not
for each of
listening
them.
anything.
Okay, I think this is a negotiation, right?
Yeah, this is a
अबे तो अपना mic बंद कर, double आवाज आ रही है.
Negotiation happens from both the ways.
We didn't rob their cash, we didn't rob their organization
But
stuff, so
listen,
we don't have that
I
much
know,
time.
Listen. You know what you did, right? You know what you did.
What?
You took their clothes. They are naked out there. You know.
We took their clothes, but we didn't take their items or something. We didn't.
Okay, listen.
harm them.
400k is a lot. I'll give you 300k for
No,
both of them,
actually-
which comes to
No,
50k
no.
for each person. Okay.
I think
Okay, that's my offer to you guys as a negotiation.
10k equals to cutting their one finger.
No, we don't want that. Okay, let's just come to
It's your own.
350k. Okay.
Very
it's
good
your own-
offer,
it's
very
your
good
own
offer.
choice. You want or not?
350k. I want both of them safely, but this is a negotiation, right? Negotiation.
This is a negotiate, but we already told you the demands 400k. We want it.
And you just
and
they are
can-
naked out there.
Okay, I
did
think you
very
don't
bad
want.
things
I
with
think
them.
you
No,
don't
I
want the
want.
hostages. We
I
didn't
want,
rob
I
them.
want.
We just steal their
should I break
uniform.
the finger of one hostage?
No.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, just
400K,
break.
right?
Yeah,
Just
gently,
go and
No,
gently.
no.
Wait, come back, come.
Wait.
Come back, come back, come.
400k, right?
Oh my god, who's crashing the heli?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do
You
you
will
think?
get
Yeah,
400k. Yes, you will get 400.
I will break one finger.
Give us like 5 minutes to.
Mr. Wait,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah,
Lion.
Take your time. But we don't have that
Who
much
is the main
time, okay?
negotiator?
Yeah, I am. Give us 5 minutes. We'll be back
Bro.
after 5 minutes.
Hello, buddy. Can you tell your unit go back?
They're already back.
No.
We are back. We are here.
Only
Yeah,
three
back,
members.
yeah.
Only 3 members will friend.
No,
Only 3
I
members
need
will
only
come
3
and
members
negotiation.
here.
Only 3 members.
Guys, come back. Let's arrange. Let's talk.
Everyone move. Hey, move. Move.
Okay, Miss Divya ma'am, do you have
Thunder Eagle,
400k?
how copy?
Or anyone else who's having 400k right now?
Can you please check the mails on the Discord?
Store
OC?
uniform and
Yeah,
No,
there's-
I have
400k is.
Okay, whenever you are free, just check that. It's important.
yeah, but they'll break the fingers. They'll break the fingers, you know.
bro.
Do you have
Okay,
400k? Let's
bro,
just give him.
we
Let's
can-
just give the 400k.
Who has 400k? Who has 400k? FIB, can I have your ID?
Yep.
Right. This way. Right, sir.
Okay, who has 400k, guys? Hello? Okay, you where is it? Okay, ma'am. Just pass them the 400k, okay?
Doctor,
Miss Kashi, come, let's go.
give 400k.
5 be ready for a 10-10. Be ready for a 10-10.
And guys, only 3 people come with me. Rest just put the spikes around the store, okay?
By the way, what's the demand
400k,
for each?
both of them. Come. Yeah, my ID. Yeah, this is my ID.
We gonna take fight or what?
Yeah, we'll take fight, obviously.
Oh,
Anybody who's
Guys,
in the
put the
DOC.
spikes around the area
How copy?
and just start the 10-10 as soon as hostages get in the car.
As you can see, Hamsi is already there.
Spikes. Guys, put spikes. Don't let them leave.
Everybody be ready for a 10. You guys come back. Come back to the.
Guys, put some spikes.
Few units, come to the local. The location at where I put the local.
10-4, 10-4.
तुषार कोड है तुषार हेलो